You hear that? It's feedback. I love Jimi Hendrix. I love feedback. All right. Let me get a little Ian Wilson throat spray here. Sounds about right. All right. Here's the newest tune that I've written. Inspired by 3 pieces of art at South and Nick's restaurant while I was waiting for my wife and daughters to join me for dinner. Hopefully you can pick out what verse matched what piece of art. I have pictures of all of them that I took, of course. Imagine a large tree with bright flowers. It sits alone in a field of orange. The flowers and the colors and the magic and the beauty sit between you and where your dreams get born. Believe me, freight is in the showers. Showers of flowers and trees. Imagine the jungle's one with her soul, and her image will be reflections on the leaves. And I'm confused. How does the dancing make it rain? And if I'm in control of my world, am I the one to blame? Dance, this is a celebration, one where there's fire and surprise, one where the spirits are called into action, one where your body and mind will get to collide. Is this the best part of our journey? Our belief in the future is naive, but it's pure. Our actions trust that the time will be good to us. I believe in the moment, this moment, for that I'm sure, and I'm confused. How does the dancing make it rain? If I can control my world, my world, my world, am I the one to blame? Does the dancing make us rain? And if I'm in control of my world, does that mean I'm to blame? Throw on some turquoise and handle your shit. And the sun make love in eclipse. Don't forget that we came here from outer space. Thank the spirits who sent us these trips. You're a light flying over Minneapolis.